Welcome to our comprehensive session on Amazon Compute Optimizer, a transformative AWS service designed to help you optimize your AWS resources effectively. This training will explore Compute Optimizer's functionalities, benefits, and practical applications. What is Amazon Compute Optimizer? Amazon Compute Optimizer is an AWS service that provides machine learning-powered recommendations to optimize AWS resources. It focuses on 4 key AWS resources: Amazon EC2 instances, Amazon EBS volumes, Amazon ECS services on AWS Fargate, and AWS Lambda functions. By analyzing your resource usage, Compute Optimizer offers insights into resource optimization, balancing cost and performance. Key use cases of Amazon Compute Optimizer: evaluate right-sizing recommendations, analyze and implement recommendations to ensure your AWS resources match your workload requirements. Configure infrastructure and external metrics, optimize your AWS resources based on comprehensive metrics. Streamline migration to AWS Graviton CPUs, utilize recommendations to transition smoothly to AWS Graviton CPUs for enhanced performance and cost savings. Licensing optimization recommendations, tailor your AWS usage to optimize for licensing costs. Benefits and features: lower cost, reduce costs by optimizing AWS resource utilization and avoiding over-provisioning. Optimize performance, enhance performance by aligning resources with workload demands. Compare price and utilization, make informed decisions with insights into price-performance trade-offs. Get started quickly, easy to set up and use, with immediate access to optimization recommendations. AWS Compute Optimizer pricing. Compute Optimizer offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model, ensuring you only pay for what you use. For enhanced infrastructure metrics for EC2, the pricing is on the screen and it is calculated based on the number of hours a resource runs per month. Hands-on practice. We are in the AWS console window now. Go to the Services drop-down menu, and find Management and Governance Services. On the right side of the drop-down menu, find AWS Compute Optimizer, then open the link AWS Compute Optimizer in a new tab. We are now in the AWS Compute Optimizer main page now, and we have here all essential information about the service. Let's analyze resources and click Get Started. In Opt-in Preferences, we can choose all member accounts of this organization or only this account. Let's cancel for now since we don't need it yet and go back to main page, and that's all for our short AWS Compute Optimizer user interface review. How it works for AWS Compute Optimizer? AWS Compute Optimizer helps optimize AWS resources by providing recommendations for cost reduction and performance improvement. Users can opt in individual accounts, management accounts, or all member accounts in their organization. It offers recommendation preferences such as external metrics, utilization targets, and EC2 right-sizing. AWS Compute Optimizer identifies whether your AWS resources are optimal, and offer recommendations to improve cost and performance. By analyzing resource configuration and utilization data using machine learning, it generates recommendations. These recommendations can be exported, integrated with AWS Cost Explorer and Systems Manager, and used to reconfigure resources for enhanced performance and cost efficiency. Amazon Compute Optimizer is a critical tool for managing AWS resources efficiently. It provides valuable recommendations that help you optimize for both cost and performance, ensuring you get the most out of your AWS investments. This training has provided you with the essential knowledge to leverage Amazon Compute Optimizer in your AWS environment, helping you to reduce costs and improve performance across your AWS resources. Stay informed and in control of your AWS resource utilization with Amazon Compute Optimizer, and make the most of your cloud infrastructure.